There is a very common problem that if you want to gift something to someone, you always struggle to find out the right idea, what that item can be. Does it fit in my budget? Will that person like this gift? Or whether does it fit with the particular occasion and the person's personality as well? We have designed a gift recommendation engine that's going to solve this entire problem for millions of users at the same time for thousands of companies or different portals which sell these gift items, but their users always struggle like which one is the right gift for their occasion, budget, and the personality to whom they are going to give this particular gift, right? So what it does, this is a gift finding or gift recommendation engine. You can start over here. It's an AI enabled tool. I can simply put the person's name. So let's say I have put in my own name. I can define relationship. What kind of relation is this? So whether I'm gifting it for a partner, parent, sibling, or close friend, colleague, mentor, and so on, which I want to something to my colleague. I can simply define the age range over here. So let's say 35 to 50, and then I can tell something more about this particular person. So what kind of personality does this person have? What's his routine habits? What he value in life, and so on. Once that's done, I can continue. And then over here, I have to choose the occasion. So am I giving this gift on birthday, anniversary, let's say wedding, housewarming, and so on. So I'll say I'm giving it on a housewarming. That's fine. Let's move next. Now it is asking me what is your budget and the vibe. And here I can say it's a thoughtful gift under $50, generous $50 to $100, premium $100 to $150, or there is no limit as such. And then right here itself, I can choose what kind of vibes I would like to add over here. So is it luxury, is playful, nostalgic, sentimental, and so on. I can choose multiple of them or single of them. And I simply say generate recommendation. Right here itself, what the system is going to do, it will keep all of my parameter which I gave it. So occasion, relationship, budget, and then accordingly all the vibes I added over here. And based upon this, it is going to do an AI based, let's say, matching between the person and between the available catalog, and it will give me list of gifts along with their matching scores as well. So right here you can see it's a 95% match, again over here 95% match, 85, and so on. So here it says this is the gift for this particular person, this is the pricing, and why this gift matters for this person or for this occasion, right? So here itself, we can have a complete crisp understanding about why this particular gift is matching to this occasion and so on. And you can simply add this to gift box. Your gift box can keep on loading over here. Right now, in case if you'd like to start over again, or maybe you want to change any parameter, you can simply go back and choose either of them. Age range can be changed, or any of the parameters can be changed essentially, right? And then again, it can regenerate this entire thing. Now, in case someone doesn't like this idea or doesn't like this particular gifting engine as such, you can go on the entire product catalog and like take out any gift which you would want. And finally, as I said earlier, this is an API enabled engine. So here we have 3 APIs available. One is the recommendation API, where you send all the details which we filled in over here. So the person's name, vibes, budget, and so on. Second is you can get the catalog. Also, you can also check the system's health as well. Now, how these API works and how this entire mechanism works. So essentially, as soon as you send the API request, it is going to validate the entire input, whether it's in right format, and all the desired or essential things are there. Second, it is going to fetch the entire catalog over here from this particular catalog API, or maybe it can choose predefined filter based or rule based items from the select query. Then it is going to do the build prompt. So what kind of query or what kind of prompt we are going to put for this whole matching. There can be multiple weightage can be put in, that can be completely customizable, as well as we can restructure prompt as per your requirement, and it's supposed to go along with a JSON request to Claude, to any other LLM which is your preference. And finally, when the response comes back in terms of the selected item from catalog and the recommendation engine's justification, it is going to parse that response, rank it, and return it on the screen. That's way how you saw all of these gifts being presented like this. Right? All of these APIs are being built on the FastAPI framework. So here you can see the entire FastAPI structure. This is how the prompt is being returned, and you can simply modify it. We can do it for you. That's all fine. And all the error handlings, rate limiting, everything is also being controlled over here. Finally, a live response sample also available. So the catalog ID, the matching score, and the reasoning. So these 3 essential things are coming in. In case if you would like to present the entire product, then we can fetch the entire product detail based upon this catalog ID as well. So this is a really good solution for one of our client, and he is adding up good amount of money with the help of this particular solution. The conversion rate boosted, as well as the people's stickiness and the choice of his website also got increased. So in case you would like to build a similar kind of solution for your gifting portal, or maybe kind of a public domain or something, we are more than happy to replicate this and even to enhance it for your purpose. Thank you very much. Have a good day.